Hey there, Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 230 Vantage that we have listed under consignment right now. Let's go ahead and check it out, y'all. So yeah, this 230 Vantage is powered by a Merc 300. Nice whole side colors to it. It's got the black graphics. It does come with a bimini top. Nice stainless steel capped windshield. Anchor windlass in the front. And as you can tell, the boat is very, very clean. No issues with it. Skeg can be repainted, but that's just touch-up paint. Let's go ahead and jump inside and check this thing out. So inside this 230 Vantage, first things I want to point out, we do have some rod holders back here. We do have a built-in battery charger, freshwater washdown right there. Do have cup holders in the back. Nice flip-out bench seat. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. We had to put the bimini down for storage purposes. But we do have the flip-flop seat, so that does have five different positions on it, where it does lay down all the way flat. We have a live well under this seat that has never been used. We got the prep station over here with the washdown, of course, the Yeti cooler. Nice large Garmin display and Garmin VHF. Inside the head compartment, we do have a porta potty, which I believe does have pump out. That has never been used before. It also has a freshwater washdown in there as well. JL audio speakers throughout the boat. Nice little block off door right there if you wanted to protect yourself from the wind, say on those cooler days, wherever you're planning on boating. Nice loungers up front. Access to your anchor windlass up there as well. Then one more freshwater washdown. But you guys, this boat is super clean. The owner did take very good care of it and kept it clean. Only used it in the intercoastal and around Galveston Bay. So the boat's been babied. Like I said, the live well and the head have never been used. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. This is Billy with MarineMax, 936-223-6770. Thank you.